Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is my Corvette C6 Z06, and I'm going to put a heat deflector on the catalytic converter that is next to the oil cooler on this car. And I want to get it up higher than I usually get it up. So I'm going to show you guys and gals how to get it up high with just floor jacks, because I watched this video last night on YouTube about Ranger quick lift or something like that, and the thing I didn't like about it was when you get the car up, well, number one, I think it costs $2,000 or thereabouts. The other thing is when you get the car up, it's blocking your access from sliding under the car, like in the middle of the car. You can slide in from the front or slide in from the back, but the middle is taken up by this device. So I kind of prefer floor jacks, and I'm going to have a little problem with glare today, I think. It's bright outside and it's not that bright inside. But we'll get by anyway. I like to get the point across to you on how to do stuff. So first thing, I'm going to jack up the back with well, let's say a little bit about floor jacks. First of all, the longer they are, the higher they lift. All right, that's just the way it is. That's how they work. So I'm going to use like that Craftsman's, like a medium lift jack. It gets under low cars. You see how it's designed in the front compared to this one, which is probably like an inch taller. That's an SUV jack. But I think once I get the back up pretty high, I'll have some clearance to get under the front with these SUV jacks. Let's find out. I'm trying to find a good angle here that'll show you how high I've got it up on the back. That's as high as it'll go. Certainly I can get under there. The front will go even higher if I can get in it. So there you go. The front is up higher than the back, as I explained to you. These are high lift SUV jacks, and on the jack it says 6-inch to 21-inch lift. Okay, now I'm reaching behind here and I'm grabbing a yardstick out of my cabinet. Let's check it out. Ooh, get down there, Froggy. So yeah, I got 21 inches from the ground to the rocker panel, and so other parts underneath there I'd have even more clearance than 21 inches. So Froggy's thinking this is pretty good. You can buy these high lift SUV jacks. I don't know, these are old, like more than 10 years old, I guess. I probably paid $100 a piece for them, maybe. Harbor Freight has some jacks that you can get for like $60 if you use the coupon for the medium lift jacks. I'm sure they have high lift jacks also. So for, let's call it round money, $300, you can get your car up. You only need 3, you don't need 4. You can jack up at one place in the back there. It's like a triangle. It's pretty sturdy. And I'm going to put, obviously, I'm going to put some jacks, not floor jacks, but these jack stands. I'm going to put jack stands under there for safety. But what the heck? I think that's up pretty high to do exhaust work, starter work, whatever you need to get at underneath there. So I am going to do a different video. I'm going to do a wrap on the catalytic converter that is next to the oil cooler, which was a stupid idea, but that's the way GM designed it. So why would you put a catalytic converter, which gives like 1,000 degrees F heat, next to an oil cooler? I don't know. Ask them. But I'm going to wrap it anyway. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And spend $2,000-3,000 on some other kind of jack if you want to. But this is what Froggy uses for now, unless somebody wants to send me complimentary, and I will certainly demonstrate it for anybody. Any company wants to hook me up with a jack. Here's my clearance in here. I don't have a whole lot of clearance, but could go another 3 feet, I guess, if you've got some kind of jack that'll do that. So, see you later, guys and gals. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Froggy has one last thing. Now that the lighting is a little bit better, actually, I want to walk around the car and show you guys why I think this way of jacking up the car is better than having some kind of a rack or a lift underneath. Now, a true 4-point lift, yeah, I'll take one of those all day long. They're about $8,000, and I don't think I have the room for it. But for those other low lifty thingies, I'll go this way. See all that room you got underneath there? Now, if you need to work like in the differential area here, hold on, that's lighting is bad. You can not have that center jack. You can drop it down on a couple of jack stands that are out towards the wheels if you want to work in the center area. But come on, that's pretty good, isn't it? Okay.